This story begins far inland. For millions of years, ancient rocks and weather have been releasing mineral grains that rivers carry to the coast. There, waves, currents, and wind wash lighter sands away, leaving denser minerals behind. Grain by grain, heavy mineral sands are naturally concentrated beneath the surface. Capital Metals Lanka is a proud Sri Lankan company, owned by Capital Metals plc, a publicly listed parent entity in the UK with one clear purpose: to develop mineral resources through ethical and leading practices that deliver sustainable stakeholder value. The Taprobane Minerals Project lies within Sri Lanka's Ampara district, where carefully identified areas rich in heavy minerals that can be extracted will be developed with minimum impact to the environment and communities. Within these sands lie a unique group of naturally occurring minerals, each with distinct properties that serves an important purpose in the world we live in. Some of these minerals are essential for making products we use day to day, such as paints, plastics, and paper, whilst others are used in ceramics, healthcare, and even aerospace. Material is extracted in small, clearly defined sections known as cells, ensuring minimal environmental disturbance. Once extracted, the material is transported to a nearby processing facility using standard vehicles. At the plant, the material passes through gravity-based spiral concentrators that separate heavy minerals without the use of chemicals. Water used in processing is drawn safely from approved locations. After extraction, each cell is refilled immediately with clean sand and rehabilitated with native topsoil and plants. Starting at the extraction point itself, every step of our operation adds value within Sri Lanka. At the very first stage, the extracted material will be upgraded through the wet concentrator plant to produce a heavy mineral concentrate that contains a total heavy mineral percentage of over 90%. Through stage 1, raw sand gains up to 40 times its original value in export potential. Subsequent downstream separation will convert the concentrate into mineral products. Every shipment will adhere to a strict export compliance, contributing to Sri Lanka's industrial growth. Through royalties, taxes, and local employment, Capital Metals will contribute directly to Sri Lanka's economic growth. Over the first decade alone, more than $200 million in taxes and royalties alone will flow back into the national economy. Together, we're turning natural potential into meaningful progress for all our communities. Because development is meaningful only when it benefits everyone. Capital Metals plc, developing resources responsibly for a sustainable Sri Lanka.